Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to set up Klarna for your business. Setting up Klarna for your business involves a few key steps primarily centered around creating a merchant account and integrating Klarna's payment solution into your sales platform. Here's a general guide, keeping in mind that specific details can vary. Before you begin, ensure your business meets Klarna's basic requirements. This typically includes having a registered business, operating a functional website with clear product information, pricing, and terms and conditions, adhering to Klarna's ethical guidance. Next, visit Klarna's website and look for their business or merchant section. You'll likely find an online application form. Provide accurate business information including business name and address, contact details, information about your product or services. Financial details. Klarna will review your application, which may involve assessing your business creditworthiness. Once your merchant account is approved, you need to integrate Klarna payment solutions into your online store or point of sale system. Klarna offers various integration options. E-commerce platform plugins. Klarna provides plugins for popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and others. This is often the easiest option. If you have custom e-commerce setup, you can use Klarna's API to integrate their payments functionality. Point of sale integration. If you have a brick-and-mortar store, Klarna may offer POS integration options. Follow Klarna's integration instructions carefully. This may involve installing a plugin or adding code to your website. Configuring payment settings. Testing integration to ensure it works correctly. Before going live, thoroughly test the Klarna's integration to ensure payments are processed correctly. Once you're satisfied, you can launch Klarna as a payment method for your customers. Klarna often provides marketing materials to help you promote their payment options to your customers. It's important for you to consider the fact that Klarna charges merchant fees, so be sure to understand the fee structure. Also, Klarna provides merchant support, so don't hesitate to contact them if you have any questions. Don't forget to carefully review Klarna's terms and conditions for merchants. If you need definitive information, the most accurate and up-to-date information will always be found on Klarna's official website, so pay close attention to their merchant resource and documentation.